Okay. So, how'd you get the name of the band?
I don't fucking know. Just went together.
Yeah. So, what was the name of the original band you were in?
Rising Massacre.
What happened to that band?
We just kind of broke up, so wanted to start something new.
Bands, people just went their separate ways after a while.
Yeah. So, what song means the most to you guys?
Probably a social conflict, since it's one of our original songs from the last band.
What's the song about?
I don't know, just a social conflict.
Yeah.
Much, it's like a conflict between socialization of people and, like Facebook and whatnot, how the conflicts start, all the other crap. It's just like, just blurting it out and fucking MySpace. Yeah.
Okay, cool. What musicians do you look up to?
Local.
Any musician, man. I don't know.
Any locals.
Yeah.
Just locals, really. So, fuck the mainstream. I don't listen to the mainstream, so.
And you? What musicians do you look up to?
David Gilmour, Jimmy Page,
And you, man?
So many to announce, but mainly.
As I Lay Dying. I already know that one for him.
As I Lay Dying, anything from that. I would say anything that's gent-style music as well. Snatch that one.
Yeah. Like the breathing process?
Breathing process is dope.
Godfrey Coleman.
Me and Snatch started some shit as well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm doing everything. Recording it. So they're pretty dope. Let's check out some of the new stuff.
That's good. So, are you gonna make any music videos or anything for the band?
We have an EP release coming up, probably sometime in March, so.
Yeah? So, what's your dream tour? Like, I don't know, like, what bands?
Like, what do we want to be like? Or
Who you want to tour with? Like, what bands?
I don't know. It's not about who we play with, or.
It's just more or less getting the name out there and people noticing who.
Well, not even so much that for me, like. Just to fucking play, like. If music's your life, you just play to play.
So, how long you been a musician for?
Fuck. Me and Alex have been doing music for 6 years, 7 years.
I've been a musician since. I've done guitar for about almost 9 years, 10 years. And I've done drums for about a year.
And you?
I played saxophone for 11 years. I played guitar for like 7. I played bass for like 6.
Yeah.
Bass my favorite.
So, where do you hope to take the band?
Just wherever it goes. Like I said, we play just to play.
To in and out, because if we made money from a show and then went to go get good hamburgers, it'd be such an accomplishment.
Oh, that's...
Right?
Okay, that's pretty cool. So, what concert venues did you go to, growing up or whenever you started going to concert venues?
I don't know. Personally, my favorite venue out here in Phoenix is the Fix.
Yeah, the one that was in Phoenix, right?
Yeah, off of 7th and Grand.
Dude, they closed it down, man. I don't know why.
Also, the one place which was off of 1st Street in Jefferson, which was also the clubhouse is pretty good.
We all loved the gym.
Yeah, we played at the gym. We wrote the song because
It
it was just a high school band. Just a venue for high school bands. So.
I personally like probably Marquee. Marquee's pretty dope.
I like Joe's Grotto. Joe's always cool. Chasers, another
Big Fish.
big
Pub,
trumpet
like,
high
on
way.
Flowery. Looking to book us a show.
I guess Big Fish, but
I gave him a call
Yeah,
for you.
Oh, another sick fucking venue is the Vertical.
Ghana.
Nile.
Well, thank you. Lead singer? And you?
I play guitar.
I'm drums, guitar, everything else.
Your name?
I'm Triz.
I'm Danny.
Cool.